Hi Year 2, it's Wednesday the 3rd of February 2021 and here's our learning question. Read it with me. Can I add three one-digit numbers? That's our learning question today. Okay, let's start our lesson with some number fact practice. We're going to make the number 10. I've got some numbers in this column and I want to match them with the number that if I add them together will make 10. So let's start at the top of the first column. 0 and what make 10? Shout out for me. 0 and 10. Good job. I'll join those together. Get the idea? 1 and what make 10? Shout out. 1 and 9. Good job. Next one. 2 and... That's right. 8. Make sure you're shouting out, please. Next one. 3 and... What is it? Can't hear you. 7. Well done. 3 and 7 make 10. 4 and... Well done. 4 and 6 make 10. And finally, the easiest one, 5 and... That's right. 5 and 5 make 10. Good job. Right, now we've got some doubles practice. So doubles are, when we double, we add the same number twice, just like in my dice there, okay? Now I've got the answers here, and I want you to shout out the answer for me, okay? So the first one. Double one is... Well done. Double one is 2. Shout out the answer for me. You ready? Double 2 is... That's right. 4. Double 2 is 4. 2 add 2 is 4. Double 3 is... Well done. 6. 3 add 3 is 6. Double 4 is... Brilliant. 8. 4 add 4 is 8. Double 5 is... Well, it must be 10. Got some more on the next page. Double 6. Here are my answers. Double 6 is... That's right. 12. 6 add 6 is 12. Double 7 is... Which one? Well done. 14. Double 7 is 14. Double 8 is... Is it 16 or 18? Can't hear you. That's it. 16. And finally, double 9. 9 add 9 must be 18. Did you know those number facts? Right, adding small numbers now. Now we should be able to add small numbers in our head and we should know lots of answers. So let's see if you do. Okay, first one. 3 add 1 equals... Well done. 4. You ready for the next one? Shout out the answer. 2 add 3 equals... Brilliant. 5. 4 add 2... Well done. It's 6. And the final one, 0 add 3 is 3. So these smaller numbers, we should now start to know them as number facts without having to draw counters or use our fingers. Right, let's move on to our main learning. So in your book, I'd like you to write today's short date, the number date, and then very, very neatly, can I add 3 one-digit numbers? Now, Birch is there because he wants to see beautiful presentation. So children at home, your work should be as neat as the work you do in school, okay? See if you can impress Birchie with your presentation today. Stop the video there, pause the video there, and write the date and learning question. Okay, so we're adding 3 numbers and we're going to practice 3 strategies. Okay, we just copy that. We're going to practice Tommy's strategy. And Tommy, to add 3 numbers, he says this: I like to start with the largest number, then count on using counters. Mo says this: I like to use number facts. And Amir has a 3rd strategy. He says, I like to add the 2 smallest numbers first. Today, we're going to use Tommy's strategy. And Tommy likes to start with the largest number and then count on using counters. So I'm going to show you with this calculation. Read the calculation with me. 4 add 8 add 3 equals, and we'll put our answer here. So we've got 3 one-digit numbers. First thing I'm going to do using Tommy's strategy is I'm going to put the largest number in my head. So I'm just going to put a thought bubble around it. That's in my head. I don't need to draw the counters for that. Then I'm going to represent the other numbers using counters. So I'm going to represent 4 with 4 counters. 1, shout stop. 4, brilliant. I heard you all shout stop then. I've got 4 counters. Now I'm going to make this number. Shout stop again. Brilliant. So now I'm going to count them. So I've got 8 in my head. And we're going to use the counters to count on. So 8's in my head. So this one is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer must be 15. Type that in. 15. So do you see there, I put the largest number in my head and then I counted on using the counters. That's Tommy's strategy. Now, Tommy can also do this by drawing the counters. Okay? So let's read our calculation together again. I want to hear you nice and loud, please. 9. Brilliant. Thank you for saying that out loud. Now, need to put my pen on. Which number am I going to put in my head? Which number is the largest? Tell me. That's it. It's the number 9. And because it's in my head, I'm going to do that lovely thought bubble. Please be neater than me. It's not easy with my mouse. That shows that that's in my head. Now I'm going to draw how many counters here? That's right, 2. 1, 2. How many counters am I going to draw here? Well done. 5. 1, 2, 3. Try and keep all your counters the same size. 4, whoops, and 5. So now we're going to count on from the number 9. Okay? So 9's in my head. So I'm going to count on 10. Good. 9 to 10. 11. 12. 13. Can't hear you. 14. 15. 16. My answer is 16. So do you see how I did that? I put the largest number in my head and then counted on, so 9, 10, and used the counters to help me count on the right number, okay? That's the strategy that you're going to use today. You are going to use Tommy's strategy. Here is your task, okay? So you're adding 3 one-digit numbers, and I've shown you how to do this. We put the largest number in your head, draw counters to represent the other numbers, and then count on to find the total. So you will copy each one into your book. You will draw a thought bubble around the largest number and represent the other numbers in counters, okay? And then you will work out the answer. Tomorrow, we will find out about Mo and Amir's strategy, but today I want you to be Tommy. Please send, let's just get my pointy stick. Please send really clear pictures of your work to teachersy2@birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Well done, everybody.